today we're gonna be doing a little reset. Kind of just life reset, honestly. Reset. So that we feel good, so that we feel pretty, so that we feel hot. Because you know what? That's hot. Motto for today is, that's hot. Say with me. That's hot. I mean, we're gonna be doing my lashes. We're also gonna be doing my hair. I'm thinking quick weave, closure. I've done a quick weave. I've never done a closure quick weave. So this is gonna be a first for us all. It's gonna be a first for us all. But you know what? It's gonna be hot. Everything I do is hot. Everything you do is hot. So we're gonna be doing my lashes. I got these off of TikTok shop. They have the spikes. I love them. So we have our bond and our sealant, our tool, and our lashes. I'm gonna start by putting on the bond. And while I do this, I'm gonna be looking in the mirror. So I may be getting a little bit up close and personal with you guys, but you know what? That's what our channel is, up close and personal. We all love each other here. We're all up close and personal. I like to go like this and just do this. Not too much, but that was a little bit too much. A little bit too much on the lashes, not enough on the waterline. A little tip and trick for you guys. After you put the bond on, kind of let it sit for a little minute, just so it can like become like adhesive. I like to sit like this. You look a little crazy, but you gotta keep an eye out. I gotta keep an eye out for some. We're in our reset. We're vulnerable right now. Gotta keep an eye out. So I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna come back. I already went ahead and put on pretty much the whole eye. I came back a little late with the eye already done. I do like to put one on my skin, like right here. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Take your bond, put it right here. Right there. Again, let it dry a little bit. It's giving cat eye to the fullest. So now I'm gonna go do the other eye and then I'm gonna share with you guys my lash. What am I talking about? Actually, I can share right now. My lash map is 14, 14, 16, no. 14, 14, 16, 16, 18, 18, 18. 2 14s, 2 16s, 3 18s. That third 18 goes right there. I'm literally sweating in here. It's so hot. Sometimes the reset, it resets your body. Sweat out the BS. These are definitely my favorite lashes. I've tried the, is it Kiss? It's the one that like everybody like starts off with blue and it like transitions into purple. Those aren't bad. They're just kind of boring. I'm gonna continue to put down these lashes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really struggling right now. The first one won't go back on and I took the second one off. I'm just going back and forth like trying to put them on, and right now we're really struggling and it's so embarrassing. Usually I can get these done in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna figure it out. We're still resetting. You know what? That's hot. Even if we don't get it done, that's hot. And here they are. This is such a weird angle. This is very up close and personal. But we got them done! We struggled, but we did it. Should we dance? You gotta glam up. Because what? Because it's hot. So you gotta glam up for yourself. Oh my goodness, it would've broke. Okay, as you guys can see, we're back with some wet, thin, fine hair. But you know what? We got a little bit of hang time. Not too much though, because I cut it. When did I cut it, you may ask? 2 years ago. I just now really started taking care of it for real. It's grown a little bit. It's grown a lot this year. Because it used to be up here. I put it in braids and the braids wouldn't even touch my shoulder. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the closure quick weave. To get started with the closure quick weave, we first have to blow dry all of this, which doesn't take long because it's so thin and fine. What I'm gonna be using is this. Basically, you put your hair in it. It's really loud. Now we're gonna get into the braid down. Honestly, I don't have a specific pattern of how I braid down. I'm gonna braid down wherever I want to braid down. As I'm looking at my materials, we seem to have forgotten an important item, a wig band. Maybe we're just gonna go like this and we're gonna go get the wig band. Okay, so right now I'm on the way to the beauty supply store. I've actually have never ever been to this one before, but I feel like because I'm not needing the whole 9 yard, I just need like 1 millimeter. Like every beauty supply store has wig bands, and we're about to see if they have it or not. Hi, I have a mobile order. I'm not gonna lie, as you can see, we came to Starbucks. You know what though? It was on the way. Anything is justified if it's on the way. Like if you don't have to go out of your way, it's justified. Chai, oat milk, banana cream, cold foam. This was justified. We're not splurging, just a grande to get like our day going. But I think it's important to have these self-care days, reset days, because it allows you to just be with yourself and love yourself and take care of yourself and just really reset like your mind and everything. Sometimes a day needs to just be about you. You need to be in your own space and doing your own thing and to show yourself some love, always and forever, like Bryson Tiller. Feel like I'm still just a homie. Acting like you don't want me, but you do it for me. Thank you. Taste too good. Now let's be on our way to the beauty supply store. Hi. I do low-key need a new bonnet and a new silk scarf. So, but like, do I need it? No. Wig band is a non-negotiable today. I can't find the wig band. I think I have to ask. Like, I found like I already have like the wrap strips, but I need like the wig band itself, and I'm not seeing that. This is literally the aisle I walked through 2 times. We're gonna go ahead and get this one because we don't want any residue left on the wig itself. Actually, that's what we're gonna get right now. We're gonna go and do our braid down and get started. Well, we did it. It took us a minute because we were blind, but we did it. Now we're gonna go home and then start our braid down and get the closure quick weave going. As you guys can see, we're back in our reset area. Now we're gonna start the braid down. If you guys can see, I needed 2 braids. Now I'm going on my 3rd one. I'm just gonna continue to do that all around my head. Boom, we're done. Now that we finished that, now we're gonna put our wig caps on and get ready. So we have the wig cap on, you put 2 on, and then we're gonna go take our closure and we're gonna see like where it fits, outline that. This is the hair that I'm gonna be using. I went ahead and sprayed the lace right here with this. I don't think we really did that properly. But you know what? That's okay. Went ahead and outlined where the closure is gonna go. Is that accurate? Babe, I don't know. Next we're gonna go in with our protective shield all around the other parts. We're gonna dry it. Lord knows this is gonna take forever. So as I'm drying it, I do spray a little bit of this. It seems to dry faster. Just spray where you have the wig cap, or not the wig cap, the sealant on. Blow dry. We're back, and I think you know up. But you know what? In life, sometimes advice and tip, reset. In life, sometimes you literally fuck up, and that's okay. Gotta pick up from where you are and keep going, because the world don't stop. It doesn't stop. We're about to glue down the lace. So I laid down some track. This is what we're looking like. And then I'm gonna continue to keep doing that until I get to the top. Okay, and I am done like that. Actually, it wasn't like that. I think we started at like 10. It's 3:22. I don't know why, but for me, this was a little bit harder. It's a little disappointing. Aww. But we got it done at the end of the day. Whatever it takes to do a reset. And here we are. I think it's so pretty. I think it was a successful little life reset beauty maintenance day, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I hope you guys inspired to have your own beauty maintenance day, because it's important to give yourself a self-care day every week, at least minimum every week. Do something for yourself, and remember, that's hot. Say with me one last time, that's hot. So it's the next day, and this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. I love the color. I added some edges as well on both sides. When I slept last night, I just braided it up and put the wig band across right here, put my bonnet on, woke up this morning, took the bonnet off, boom, like that. Hair was done. I think that it was worth it. I think there's room for improvement for sure. I think next time when I do it, I'm gonna get a closure that's pre-bleached and pre-plucked, because this one's not bleached or plucked and I have no experience with that yet. But you know what, for our first time, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 8 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. I think it's really good, and I think I'll wear it for a pretty good time, but definitely invest in a better closure next time for sure. I hope you guys loved spending this reset day with me. I sure did have a grand old time, and I hope that you guys are inspired to do your own reset every single week, because it's important. At least one a week for yourself. Love yourself, take care of yourself, and all of that jazz. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.